Good morning. It's 11:40. Can you see how windy it is? Let me see if you can hear how windy it is. We have a tornado warning watch in effect right now. Yeah. Not excited about that. I'm gonna go check it out to see if it's actually gonna come near us or if we're just gonna get the wind from it. Yeah. My baby. Got some pretty flowers though. Hello. And this is blooming nice. I don't think I've shown you this. I might have. I don't remember. But this is blooming nice. Anyways. Come in, my doggy. Be safe. Yeah, what day is it today? Wednesday. So yeah, I have where's your practice to go to? And Melissa and I are going to film a DTD for tomorrow. And yes, I'm excited to try this. Very much so. Because we've been just drinking up iced teas like there's no tomorrow in this house. Haven't we, my doggy? Yeah, what is that? Oh, it just looks like a cloth. Okay, let's go back in.